Okay, we've got Justin from our Ask a Ninja page, and he was wanting to know, do we prefer a 12 mil vapor barrier or a 20 mil vapor barrier? Stay tuned for the answer.
If you would rather use a 20 mil vapor barrier or a 12 mil, and about how long those would last?
Okay, our vapor barrier cannot come in a 20 mil. We've had some manufactured, and if it's that thick, it won't bend. So about as thick as we can get with our style of vapor barrier, which is basically a solid piece, is about 12 mil. I was told it could possibly be pushed to 15 mil, but again, it's not real flexible at that level. Okay, so it's real hard to work with. So now if you can get a 20 mil reinforced vapor barrier, which is basically two pieces joined together, like two 10 mils joined together. I'm not a big fan of reinforcement. If you know anything about us and our YouTube channel, not that all reinforcement's bad, but you don't know until you get it installed whether, 2-3 years down the road, if you got a cat urine problem, odor, you don't want to have to redo it. So for me, our 12 mil solid would be my choice, because when we first got started, we did use reinforced vapor barriers, and so it's not like we haven't had experience with them, but I still to this day would choose a solid over a reinforced. It's kind of like a hardwood. Would you rather have a solid hardwood, or would you rather have a laminate that's glued together? So that's kind of my way of thinking about it. Well, Justin, thanks for joining us on the call. And I know one of the questions you had was, how long does our vapor barrier last? When we install it in the crawl space, we give the 10 mil vapor barrier a 15-year warranty and the 12 mil vapor barrier a 20-year warranty. And then if we put underlayments in under the vapor barrier, we can increase the warranty all the way up to a lifetime. So as long as you don't have a lot of people going down there and messing up the plastic, or you're not exposing it to sunlight, this plastic will last a long, long time. So thanks again for watching, everybody. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. See you later.